Hi guys, it's Rachel here, and I am here with my slow stitch collab with the lovely ladies that will be linked in the description box below. There's Susanna from Vintage Blend Studios, Loretta from Sparrowhawk Designs, Melanie from Melanie Sullivan here on YouTube, my sister Sarah from Roxy Creations by Sarah, Anne Brooke from Anne Brooke's channel, and am I forgetting anyone? Myself. So Sarah, Melanie, Loretta. Oh, and then of course, Jeanette. And this is from Jeanette. This is my February piece, and I'm very excited. It arrived the other day. I did quarantine the parcel until today for 3 days. I think I got it on Friday. I didn't open anything over the weekend. So I'm so excited. I've been looking at it, the parcel, but I like it was in the bag. I was looking at the closed bag. So I'll read your note afterwards. Oh my word. Let's look at this first. How pretty is this? I love, oh, that's it. That's my piece. Oh, no, I want to look at the extras first. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Oh, it's a clip. How clever is that? Love this old bag. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, Jeanette. Everything is gorgeous. I think I mentioned everybody. I apologize if I didn't. I think I did. That's gorgeous. It has such a nice feel to it. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And I love this bag. It's kind of textural. I'm thinking I'm going to love everything in here. I can already see. Oh my wordy lordy. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh gosh, look. I love the way Jeanette has done her extras. She's stitched them together. Oh, it's just the presentation is to die for. It really is gorgeous. So we've got some gorgeous, I think that's tatting. I know some of you are more experty than me, so let me know. I think that's tatting, that one. That, I mean, just look at this, and everything's held together by the 3 buttons, and what gorgeous buttons they are. Oh my word. And I love even that you gave me the selvage. Look at that lace. That is stunning. Oh, I love it. And I love the fabrics. They are beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. And everything's ironed. I need to take a leaf out of your book and iron things. And look at that beautiful heart. This is wonderful. Oh, beautiful old linen. Oh, and that stripe. Wow. I love those, Jeanette. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm very late with Melanie's patch. I've got to get, I'm going to be sitting down doing that all day today. I'm very late indeed. So today's Monday, but I'll probably put this up on Tuesday just to give myself an extra day. Sorry, Melanie, but I'll be sending it by courier, so it should arrive in time. So, okay, guys, here comes the patch. Oh. That is stunning. Stunning, stunning. I mean, the attention to detail that everybody has. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I think we need to... So let's go through it. So we have that beautiful fabric. This one here, over here. Jeanette's put in, and she's done seed stitch everywhere around it. And so it's sort of brought up the flowers, the botanical there. And then she's done like she's done details in there. She's done some stitching on the flowers. There's sort of like a satiny sort of stitch. There's back stitch. There's a tiny button. I don't think I've ever seen such a tiny button before. I don't know if you'll go out of focus if I do that, and you'll also go out of the light. Anyway, all little French knots. That wonderful tatting. It's been stitched down with a beautiful, what am I holding that for? A beautiful French blue, gorgeous stripe, and the what do you call it, the selvage there, and then piston stitch, some flowers there. There's borrow stitch or running stitch, little seed stitches, and then just some stitches like that, and then they've got a little stitch in the middle to hold them down, some crosses. Oh, what fun. This is gorgeous, Jeanette. And then beautiful sequin stitched on with a little French knot in the center. I love the way you've gone through the center of that lace there with the stitch, or like a running stitch almost. It's a little teeny tiny running stitch holding it down, and lovely layers of fabrics there. And this is good. I love how you stitch that on. So she just went across there, across there, across there, and then held it down there as well. It's just wonderful. I'm leaving the heart to last because I just love what you've done with the heart. Seed stitch everywhere here. Yo-yo with this gorgeous piece of a little brassy sort of flower. And then all stitching details here. And now let's come to the heart. The heart has been cut out, and then lace has been set behind. Just amazing, Jeanette. And then this beautiful knitting sort of lace that's been gathered. I mean, the time it would have taken you to do this, and it's been gathered behind and slipped under there. I'm just in love with it. It's just beautiful. And the colours, I just love the colours. Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm going to have to study it. So I think I've got my other ones over here. Just a minute. I did have them here. I've probably moved them. Of course I've moved them. Where have I put them? They've moved. Oh dear, I've moved them. I don't know where I've put them. What have I done? Oh, here they are. Here they are. I wanted to see them together. Oh my word, it's just beyond. It's all just beyond. So this is Melanie's. Oh, look, they're going to be fantastic together. I won't be able to get them all on screen, so just forgive me, but I'm going to show you. So that's Jeanette's there. That's Melanie's. This is Susanna's. Susanna. So I'm actually going to make a book, I think. That's Susanna's there. I'll have to do something like that. I think my sister had trouble getting them in as well. Wonderful. And then this is Loretta's. Oh, I'm still waiting for my sisters. That's who I'm waiting for. So just a minute, guys. Just let me check. Jeanette. Rachel. Oh yeah, my sister's hasn't come, but I knew that my sister's always late. She's a late person like me. Yes, so this is my February one. I'm waiting for my sister's one. Sarah, take note. I'm waiting for yours. January. Okay. Just joking. I know. I'm Melanie will be saying the same. Rachel, there's a hole here where yours is supposed to be. Anyway, this is what I have so far, and I absolutely love them. I mean, they are all different, but they all coordinate. Of course, they coordinate because we gave our colours. But, you know, there's so many variations in the colours that they could have not worked together, but I just think they're wonderful. And the detail in them is just amazing. It's so much fun to pull them all out. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I love them. And it's interesting, Susanna's and Loretta's sort of, they kind of remind me of each other, like they're kind of similar with the colours. And then you've got these, they're a little bit, there's probably a lot more beigey, sort of linen-y sort of colours in there as well. So they appear lighter, and then there's touches of the reds and blues. So I really like that because, you know, when I put it together in a book, it'll alternate. So let's just pretend that it's going in a book. We might put that one and then that one. I don't know. I don't know what order. Maybe I'll just pull them out randomly and just say this is my book. This won't be the book, but just say it is. And then you open it and you'll have this one, and then you'd have that one, and that one. How cool is that? And then on the, I haven't decided how I'm going to make the book, but, or I'll put a collection of their fabrics that they gave me on that side, or I might do like an accordion style book, where you have your base fabric, and I've seen, Charlotte Lyons do it. So just say they'll attach to the base fabric, and we'll have 6. So when they're attached to the base fabric, you basically pull it out and they'll be attached like that. And so then you don't really need Yeah, but I might do it the accordion style. And I'll use their fabrics too, and then you pull it out and it comes out like that sort of thing. But I'll use the fabrics to make the cover, I think. Anyway, I'll decide. I'll see what I have at the end of it and then decide. But how gorgeous are they all? I just love them. Thank you so much, ladies, and thank you so much, Susanna from Vintage Blend Studios, for organising such an incredible, fun. I mean, it's all just gorgeous. Everything that everybody's made is just beyond. Look at that. I mean, it's just wonderful. I have a bag of treasures in here from everybody. So I'm just, I better leave, I'm going to photograph Jeanette. So I'll leave hers out. And I'll put that on Instagram as well. I will do some close-ups so you can see what, all the details and everything. So thank you so much, Jeanette. I absolutely love it. And I love all of the patches that I've received from everyone. They are really amazing. And, just look at them. I mean, look at that. They are gorgeous. Really, really, really gorgeous. Each one is unique and gorgeous. So thank you so much, and go and check out their channels. I'll link them below, but I know that all of you know who they are, and but there might be some new people who don't. And they also do a lot of everything, really, like make journals and do all kinds of stuff. So really great channels to follow. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Jeanette, and I will see you again soon. Bye.